Now moving on to the next presentation. So we have another equipment maker, CETC Red Solar. We have Chun Zhang, CTO of CETC Red Solar. He's going to speak on turnkey solutions for the PV industry chain. Chun, the floor is yours. Chun? Oh, yeah. You are on mute. Can you please unmute yourself?
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you see my sharing?
Yes.
Okay. Good day, everyone. This is Chun Zhang, the CTO of CETC Red Solar Photoelectricity Science and Technology Corporation. Delighted to have the opportunity to speak to you today. The topic is the CETC Red Solar's development of TOPCon cell equipment and the turnkey solution to overseas mass production line. 3 parts in my report today. Complete profile, key equipment provided by Red Solar, and the turnkey solution. Because this is the first time Red Solar joined the meeting, so I'd like to give a brief introduction to the CETC Red Solar. China Electronics Technology Group Corporation, CETC, Red Solar's parent company, is ranked 253 in Fortune Global 500 list 2025. CETC is a state-owned enterprise including more than 700 units covering a wide range of business fields, including semiconductor equipment, renewable energy, electricity equipment, and others. Red Solar, a key subsidiary of CETC, was established in 2009. As can be seen, the Red Solar's business is mainly focusing on photovoltaic equipment, overseas TOPCon turnkey solution, intelligent manufacturing system, and semiconductor equipment. It also owns several national scientific research and innovation platforms, and there are more than 800 R&D persons. Red Solar has been making contributions to China's PV industry. As can be seen, Red Solar made remarkable contributions during the last several decades. During 2001 to 2003, it developed China's first tubular diffusion and PECVD furnace. In 2010, the company's cell production line was put in operation and became the first full supply chain turnkey solution provider in China. Since then, a comprehensive range of key processing equipment has been successfully operating in many cell factories. Today, top 10 cell manufacturers in China are Red Solar's customers, including Zhang Solar, Tongwei Solar, JA, and Chun Solar, etc. We closely cooperate with them in the fields of TOPCon, HJT, and perovskite solar cell structures. In the past 3 years, more than 2,400 systems have been sold. Since Red Solar established, more than 400 patents authorized, including more than 150 invention patents. All of the company's products will be offered FTO protection to avoid the patent risk. NCPVE, National Center of Photovoltaic Equipment, regularly holds twice yearly conference in Red Solar, where leading experts in PV industry can exchange and share the latest innovation and gain the first-hand insights. Hopefully, in the future, more and more people will join the meeting and move forward the PV industry. Because the report is mainly based on TOPCon cell developed in Red Solar, then I'd like to give a brief introduction for the product portfolio used for TOPCon cell in Red Solar. Since in 2001, CETC and Red Solar developed the first tubo-based diffusion and PECVD furnace. Red Solar has developed a comprehensive range of high-throughput systems for TOPCon application. You can see in the middle of this slide, there are two main categories now Red Solar is doing. The first one is the thermal processing, including annealing, oxidation, and diffusion. And the other one is the passivation deposition series, including PECVD, LPCVD, ALD, and PVD systems. Today, PECVD platform in Red Solar has evolved a flexible one for deposition of different films. The base hardware remains compatible with different processing. We only need to make minor changes. Except for the silicon nitride film deposition, it's also a mainstream tool for TOPCon rail side one-stop integrated stack formation. Here, the latest PECVD version launched last year is the so-called stack bolt PECVD system. The main difference between this four tube-based system to the 6 tube-based system is the number of wafers loaded per tube. Say 1024 for the 4 tube-based system and 616 for the standard 6-tube system. The advantage, I think, is evident that a reduction in materials and the CO, etc., is clear. As a reliable alternative to PECVD, LPCVD is becoming more attractive for the application of the rare passivation stack in TOPCon cells. I think this much thanks the introduction for double loading and the improvement of unwanted wraparound on the cell's front side. Meanwhile, today, the industry is seriously evaluating BC technology. At the current stage, I think LPCVD route looks more easily to be integrated in existing mass production line. Red Solar's ALD system is a time-based 4-tube configuration system with a unique precursor feeding in that design. And it's testing in the top cells manufacturer's mass production line and planned launch at the end of this year. Another interesting machine in Red Solar is the H passivation system. It has a cone stack batch process, which enables precise deposition of passivation layers to the cut edges without undesirable deposition on the cell surface. The passivation stack consists of amorphous silicon plus silicon nitride capping layer. It's different from the standard ALD aluminum oxide passivation stack. Red Solar thermal systems feature, I think the main difference is multiple temperature zones, ensuring consistent temperature profiles, across the whole wafers and independently adjustable segmented gas inlets, which can effectively compensate gas flow in the tuber. Another new thing is the wet oxidation introduced in boron diffusion furnace, which leads to a greatly enhanced growth rate due to the different redistribution behavior. At the moment, where the PVD has been used for TOPCon rare passivation stack, gained a very low market shares, but it now gets a fresh push from the hybrid BC cell metallization application. Sputtering PVD is also optimized for the application of the carrier transport layer in the perovskite cell. All this enable long-term flexibility to BC, HJT, and tandem structure for the PVD system. Now, let's go to the last part, turnkey solution. Actually, Red Solar is a long-standing player in this field. As I mentioned above, it started the related business in 2010. This is the layout of 2 gigawatt TOPCon cell for a dedicated customer. You can see all tubular thermal processing and passivation systems are provided by Red Solar. For others, I think Red Solar will choose the best in industry to integrate in the mass production line. CETC Red Solar provides value-added service for the lifetime of the production line, not only for basic construction, but also providing long-term production, cost reduction, quality improvement, skills training, process upgrading, and latest know-how sharing, and many other value-added services. Here are some successful overseas turnkey projects. One is China National Joint Laboratory for Renewable Energy. 2, Turkey PV project includes the whole industry supply chain from wafer to module. 3, 600 megawatts per production line in India. CETC Red Solar cells. CETC Red Solar offer both standard tool platforms and customized solution. This is another 3.5 gigawatts TOPCon cell project finished in Jiangsu province, China. Red Solar provided a one-stop solution service, including design, procurement, construction, ramping up, and operation management. The cell efficiency and the yield can be reached 25.4 and 96% respectively. So why choose CETC Red Solar? I think there are a few advantages. First, not only providing TOPCon core process equipment, but also once
Chun, I think we lost you. Sorry, I think we lost you. There must be some unstable interconnection.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah, now I can hear you. Yes. Can you restart?
Okay. 15 years construction and operation and experience in PV industry. Supports to meet the customers' clear spec demands for key performance of efficiency yield and throughput, reached in a few months will be under guarantee. Lastly, I think the advantage is CETC is a state-owned group enterprise, which means we have advanced high technology and rich resources in the field of photovoltaic to support our customers to fulfill their dreams. Lastly, here is the contact details of our one overseas office in Turkey. Please don't hesitate to contact them if you have any questions. Thanks for your attention.
Thanks a lot, Chun. I think, so last few slides were not in presentation mode, but I think you almost covered everything. So thanks a lot. I think there would be some questions in the chat window. So please stay back and answer these questions while enjoying our conference. And then I would like to move to the next presentation.